Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking, or if it's your first time, welcome. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how we grill chicken breast. We actually made a variety of meats here. We had some Jimmy's Italian sausage and we grilled a couple of steaks. But the main thing is we got a new grill. Because the last time we tried this recipe, we had to nix the video because it didn't come out too well. But the new grill that we have now is called a Monument Denali Series 605. This grill
It's a great grill.
Fantastic.
Trust me.
But
Chef approved.
anyway, we're also going to show you how we make this bruschetta stuffing.
Italian stuffing.
Yes, to serve on the side. And then this is some peppers and onions that we made earlier. And then right here we have some grilled eggplant and zucchini. All right, let's get cooking. All right, Dominic's gonna start making the salad dressing for the marinade for the chicken.
Very easy. Fresh garlic, pepper, salt, oregano, a little basil, red wine vinegar, and olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and put those in there.
It's a basic Italian dish.
Very simple.
Yeah, but it's still delicious.
The one that we made the dressing from the last time.
Oh, we ate it.
You ate it right? No, it's good.
Yeah.
A little pepper. Some salt. You'll get the measurements later on. I don't measure again. Some oregano, some basil, and some red wine vinegar. That's it. That's it.
Real simple.
Perfecto. All right, we're getting our chicken now. The pole pounded out earlier today.
Yeah, nice chicken breast. Okay, we're gonna marinate these in here. Marinate there. Yeah, very nice. Oh, look at that. No more, we're good.
And that's it.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and let this marinate overnight, and then we'll be back. All right, we're gonna start this bruschetta stuffing. My wife made this the other day, and it was absolutely out of this world. And I told her, "Give me that recipe. It's great." Well, anyway, we did something a little different. We went and purchased some croutons, some New York style croutons. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the ingredients. It's very simple. We have some chopped tomatoes here. That's about a 14.5 ounce can. We got some fresh mozzarella pearls. Got some chopped garlic here. And about two tablespoons of garlic. It needs garlic. And then I got about a 1/4 cup of Romano cheese. And then I'm going to mix it up with some water. I'm going to just put about just a few ounces for right now, and let's mix it up.
Basil.
Need some more water, yeah. And the basil. We'll put the fresh basil in now. All right, good. Oh yeah, all right. This is ready. Put it right here. All right. I'm going to put some melted butter. That's 1 stick. And it's unsalted butter, basically. All right, now we're going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and it'll be good to go. All right, let's check out this stuffing. Oh man, look at that.
Those look good.
Oh.
Nice and toasty on top.
All right, let's go start grilling. All right, before I light this up, I just want to go over a few of the features on this thing. It's incredible. My 17-year-old son, Dominic, put this together in less than 2 hours. I think he could have done it quicker, but he kept dilly-dallying. But anyway, This here comes with a built-in ceramic burner on some stainless steel grid here. This gets up to 700 degrees. It's perfect for searing steaks. And then this right here comes with a rotisserie bar, and it's automatic. It rotates while it's cooking. This comes with 5 infrared burners and 1 ceramic burner. It's under there, and it's basically for this portion of the grill. This gets up to about 700 degrees in about 10 minutes, so you want to watch it. And then we have our knobs here. They light up in the night so you can actually see what you're doing. And then it comes with a Bluetooth thermostat, and you can control the time and the length of cooking on your phone. All right, and one of my favorite features here is this little gadget here. It's like a slide, and it makes changing out the propane tank so much easier. And it also comes with this grill, other type of grill for making more grill marks, as you will, basically. Stainless steel tray here that captures all the grease, and it makes for real easy cleaning. And then here is a grease pan, and it's got an aluminum liner in there, so it makes for easy cleaning. Wow, that was easy. Did you see that? Sean, did you see how easy that was?
All right, the grill is about 480 degrees. So let's put our sausages on. We butterflied them. You want to put the meat side down first. Oh, look at that meat sliding up and down.
Yeah, man. That's a lot of cooking space. About 900 square inches.
All right, we're going to put our steaks on there too. All right, now we got some chicken here, guys. Whoa, baby. Marinated in this beautiful dressing.
Man, look at that. He cooked for an army on this thing.
You cook up here too?
Yeah. What I really like about this grill is it has the window. You don't have to keep opening it to check to see how it's doing. You know, every time you open the grill, you're losing a lot of heat. So this way, keeps that heat all in there.
Oh man, I got it in my eye.
It's a little windy out here. Ew.
All right, guys, we're gonna turn this chicken a little bit. Oh my God, finally a grill that gets hot everywhere instead of just one spot. Put a little bit of salt and pepper on this side. Check the sausage. Oh boy, oh boy.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Now, if you like your steak really seared on the top, you use the searing station right here. Oh man, look at this grill. Now you know what to do for 4th of July coming up.
These steaks are just about ready.
Yeah.
And the sausage, it's almost ready. 2 more minutes. It'll all be ready.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh, my fingers are burning, man. Sausages are almost ready. Woo. Sausage is on. This is ready. No flies around this heat. That's for sure.
They melt.
Oh man, see that, man? See how juicy that looks?
Oh yeah.
Oh baby. Chicken's very juicy. 1,000 times better than when we put you used to that on the grill. Now that's a barbecue fit for a king, man. Oh, this came with it?
Beautiful, look at that. All right, we got our sausage ready. We got our steak ready. Now we're gonna cut up.
We're gonna cut up some veggies. We're also gonna marinate these in that Italian dressing that I made earlier. Yeah. And we're just gonna cut these
diagonally. There we go.
All right, the eggplants.
All right, veggies all ready.
All right, we're gonna put these in a bowl.
We got our house dressing here, our Italian dressing.
This is what we made at my dad's at all these Italian restaurants in New York, Miami Beach. Might as well use it all.
Yeah. Very nice.
Oh, garlic is on the bottom.
That smells good.
Smells good, man.
What is that? All right, let's go get
Let's
this on
get
the grill.
outside and grill all this up so we can eat. All right, let's close this lid up a little bit. It's already 95 degrees in Texas today. And it's only what? May? It's not even June yet. But it's 120 near this grill, I guarantee it. All right, guys, we're gonna turn these veggies a little bit. All right, man, there's only one thing left to do. Eat.
Yes. All right, let's test this out. It all looks fantastic. I want to try this chicken because we made it in a special marinade that is just out of this world. Let's test out this stuffing. Yeah. Very good.
That stuffing delicious.
It definitely complements the chicken for sure. Anyway, we're gonna dig into this feast. Very good. I give that grill, a 10. I mean, I absolutely love it. I love the way it was built, and I love the way it cooks. Those enamel cast iron grates, they hold heat evenly, so everything cooked evenly. You don't have one side of the grill cooking one temperature and the other cooking another. I'm gonna have the link to the grill in the description, so if you're interested, I encourage you to check it out. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Take care.